Assalamualaikum friends, here is 3D text effect in AI and APS file. That's mean these files are Adobe Illustrator. Join my Telegram group, right? Sheri SK official, and join this. I will provide every link of video first here. Follow this. I will provide video here. Okay, like YouTube channel, and then last is application for password. All password in this app for lifetime access in just $4.99. Download this for lifetime access of Sheri SK. Okay, now here is 21 folder, and all files have a different design in APS and AI file. Okay, here is for Photoshop, Illustrator CC 2014, and same thing here. So you can open and write anything, change background or change text color, text effect, or change complete text. Okay, amazing. Put your own text and press Ctrl S. Okay, think 3D. Okay, so you can write. Here is a German editable text, plastic, retrieve cooled. That's mean all file for Adobe Illustrator. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, buy no file lifetime, follow this page Sheri SK. I will provide every video first here, and for link or notification is Telegram Sheri SK official. Take care, Allah Hafiz.